Today isn't just another gold hunt. Dad and I are following forgotten clues left behind by old prospectors. This old map points to places most people would walk straight past. Abandoned huts, forgotten creeks, and hidden quartz ridges. But something tells me today's going to be unforgettable. We've packed everything. You'll want to stay until the end, because what we uncover in these goldfields is something neither of us expected.
Let's go find some gold.
Another early start. You've carried this map my whole life.
Because I always believed we'd come back.
Let's finally find what's been waiting.
Let's go.
This track keeps getting rougher. Are you sure we're heading the right way?
The best gold was never found at the end of an easy road. Slow down. I remember that old sign.
This track has been hidden for decades.
Most people drive straight past it. That's exactly why we're here. Let's see if time forgot this place.
Well, that's not on the map.
Out here, the bush always has its own plans. Still cuts like new.
Good tools lifetime if you look after them.
Now let's move it. Nice and easy, don't rush it.
I've got it. Someone hid this here on purpose.
If this old map is right, we're closer than I thought. Gold loves quartz, and this ridge hasn't seen many visitors.
Let's see what everyone's been walking past. That's the strongest signal we've had all morning.
Check it twice, dig it once.
It's gold, our first nugget of the day.
And where there's one, there's usually more.
That ridge keeps going. Let's follow it. Imagine the miners working all this by hand.
They found plenty, but they never had detectors like ours.
This one's much stronger than the first.
Now that's the kind of signal every prospector dreams about.
Jack, there isn't just one nugget.
We've found a gold patch, and I reckon it keeps going.
If that hut's been untouched all these years, who knows what else is waiting up there? It's like no one's been here for 100 years.
Sometimes the old-timers leave more than memories behind.
These stones didn't end up here by accident.
Looks like someone wanted to hide something.
Someone hid their gold and left another map.
This adventure just got a whole lot bigger.
If this map is right, the real treasure is still out there. I can hear the creek.
That's where the old map's leading us. Keep your eyes open.
Those tracks look fresh.
Probably a kangaroo, maybe a wild deer.
Either way, let's stay aware. The creek's carrying gold.
And if it's washing down from somewhere, the source has to be up there. These pick marks.
Someone chased a gold vein right through here. Maybe they stopped too soon. That wasn't here a second ago.
Nature just did half the digging for us.
This is the richest spot we've found all day.
And I don't think we've reached the source yet.
If that seam runs into the hill, maybe that's where the old miners stopped. Looks like no one's been here for decades.
Let's keep our distance and stay outside. There's plenty to explore around the entrance.
Visible gold!
Now we know exactly why the miners came here.
Sometimes one loose rock
Is all it takes to find the real patch.
Someone went to a lot of effort to leave this here.
Old prospectors never marked a place unless it was worth remembering.
Another message from the old miners.
Follow the quartz to the water. The richest ground lies beyond.
Jack, this is unbelievable.
Looks like we saved the best until last.
A whole new valley.
Sometimes the best ground. And prospectors never camped far from good gold.
Someone spent a lot of time here.
It's no beep beep.
Looks like our next clue.
Let's see if the old prospector was telling the truth.
This has to be the place. The note said beneath the white quartz.
Let's search carefully.
That's a solid target.
Let's hope the old prospector knew exactly where to stop.
No wonder someone left us that note. These nuggets didn't travel far.
The source is still here. They were onto something, but they never finished the job.
Then let's finish what they started. The quartz is getting thicker.
Let's keep following it.
Someone was working this exact spot.
Which means aim was worth chasing.
Nature made the perfect gold trap.
And it looks like it's been filling up for a very long time. See that old stone wall? Let's find out what they were protecting.
This must have been a busy place.
Generations of prospectors passed through here.
Every rock has a story. The rail explains part of the signal.
But not all of it.
Whoever left this wanted someone to keep exploring.
Then we'd better not disappoint them.
This place feels completely untouched.
The old miners came close, but I don't think they ever finished searching.
This target's much deeper than the others.
Deep targets are often the worth chasing.
This is the best find of our entire trip.
And the perfect reminder that every adventure starts with taking one more step.
Hard to believe everything started with one old map.
Sometimes the greatest treasure is the adventure itself.
Not a bad day's work.
One of our best yet.
Looks like our next adventure is already waiting.
Then we'd better come back.
Every trip teaches us something new.
And every piece of gold has a story behind it. This valley gave us memories we'll never forget.
And somewhere out there, another adventure is waiting. Days like this remind us that adventure isn't just about finding gold.
If you enjoyed coming along with us,
See you next time, and we'll see you on the neck out in the Goldfields.